It is 28th of November today. It is a cold morning. I'm going to update you about all the plants I am preparing for 1st of July next year for our open garden day, which will be in the aid of a local charity called Wellspring. The charity Wellspring in Stockport, they help all the needy people. These are some of those plants, which include some roses, apples, plums. They have been covered with the leaves, which will insulate them to prevent them from very severe winter. On 1st of July 2018, you will be welcome to see my garden and all those trees I have, which include apples, pears, plums, cherries, figs, roses, and all sort of other plants which I have grafted with so many different varieties, like that apple tree in the distance. You can still see some apples hanging at the top, and that apple tree has 50 different varieties of apples on one tree. There are some pear trees. They have 4, 5, some of them have 8 or 10 different varieties grafted onto them. You can clearly see the difference in the fruit, the color of the fruit, the size, taste, ripening times. They are all different varieties which are different from each other. I also have some of the plants cuttings inside my greenhouse. The cuttings of roses, figs, and some soft fruit. And at the top, those are all apples. We bought the rootstock from a nursery, and they have been grafted with the different varieties. Some have 3 varieties, 4, 5, and some apples trees have up to 6 varieties grafted onto them. And all those varieties, they have different fruit, different ripening time. Some fruits will be ready to be eaten very early, around August, and some of the varieties will be ready around Christmas time in December, January. So we have kept in mind their ripening time. So most of the trees, you can extend the fruiting period up to 4, 5, 6 months. All these trees will be available for sale to boost the takings. All the money will go to Wellspring charity in Stockport. You are most welcome to visit and see all those trees on 1st of July next year. I will keep you informed about all those activities related with the open garden on my YouTube channel. You can share it with your friends and family members. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for all the latest updates. Thank you.